Hey everyone, it's Andrew with ShelfAware, and in this quick tutorial video I'm going to show you how to customize your screens. And today we're going to be working on the consumer side of things. So on the consumer side of the ShelfAware platform, there's really three main screens: customer item, order, and order item. All three of them have the same format. You have the search criteria ribbon up top, and then you have the search grid down below. Both of these sections of the screen can be completely customized and saved to your role, to your login. So right now I'm logged in as Jimmy from one of the demo consumers, but if Jimmy hit the customize button on any one of these screens, it'll bring up two ways to customize. First, you can customize the search criteria ribbon, and this is what fields you might want to search by, what criteria you would want to display the data by. And then you have the custom search grid. Now this is the grid below that's going to display all your data. So this is you saying, I want to see XYZ data, depending on what screen you're in. And then on both search criteria and search grid, you can choose which order the data is displayed in, or the criteria is displayed in, by using these up-down fields. So on the search grid for customer item, maybe we don't want order number first. We can simply make it second, third, or fourth. And of course, on the grid, that'll be displayed left to right. But we'll leave it up here at the top. Anyway, when you make your changes, then you just simply go down here to save. If you wanted to remove a value from the grid or the criteria, like cure date, you wanted to add that, you just click the over arrow. Now it's on the displayed selected field. We can always take it back, get rid of it. And if you want to move stuff around, up or down, just do that. So we'll click save or cancel. So that's how you customize screens. Doesn't matter what screen you're in. And we'll look at this customer item screen, actually an order item, whoops. Search. And you can see I've already done some customization to this, but let's say you didn't want to see the suppliers field. You just go up here to customize. Search grid. We don't want to see supplier. Maybe we only have one supplier, so it's always going to say the same name. So for now we could remove supplier. Hit save. It'll say, hey, the changes were made. Hit OK. Redisplay. Boom. No supplier column. So that's how you customize your screens. Again, it's saved to your user role. And every time you log out, log back in, the customizations should be saved from screen to screen. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Hope it was informative. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks.